Greetings friends, this is Vincent from Golden Key Realty again. Today we are in a project that needs no introduction. We are standing in Prestige White Meadows. This is a landmark project in the city of Bangalore by the esteemed Prestige developers. We are covering a villa today, and this villa is type B. It's a 4-bedroom. We go inside right now. This is what the living area greets you. This is built at about 5,500 square feet of built up, and at the moment this is vacant. It is ready for resale. We enter into the magnanimous and huge kitchen along with the utility. Okay, people living in Bangalore city know what Prestige White Meadows is all about, especially in terms of luxury, in terms of uber luxury, the kind of people that live here. A very high market, upmarket development. It's ready to move in with OC, and people have moved in. This is the first bedroom on the ground level. You can see the expanse attached with the washroom. We go up the spiral staircase, which gives you a grand feeling of what a villa should be like. It's a complete style statement. This is level 1. The expansive foyer and the living area on level 1, which can be customized as per your requirement. This is the second bedroom. All the bedrooms are wooden floorings. That's the walk-in closet and your expansive washroom with the bathtub. So you can see space is not a constraint here. This is meant for the select few, the connoisseurs of good life, people who have arrived and people who would like to make this their permanent address in terms of exquisite living in a neighborhood that needs no introduction in Bangalore. This is the second bedroom. As you can see, the wooden floorings all around. The villa is up for sale. This is in resale obviously, and one of our clients is interested to sell this. We go on the upper level, the spiral staircase again. Everything is right there in front of you. There is no ambiguity. It's complete transparency. We've got clear paperwork. People have moved in, so I'm not speaking much about the project because people are already aware of what it is. And this is your main jacuzzi and your sauna and steam room, which is in-house now. Which developer offers you this much? You have an in-house gym, you have an in-house sauna and jacuzzi, as well as the steam room. And we go on to this bedroom right here. Okay, again wooden flooring, humongous size, monstrous size, and the closet and the attached washroom. So it has got a huge clubhouse. It has got all the works, all the amenities. You do not need to elaborate further on that, and we really don't need to say much about what this project is all about. People who are looking at exquisite living and who can probably want to look at this villa as a purchase as a dream home for their family can definitely get in touch. Right? Do like, share and subscribe to my videos. Thank you.